Okay, so this is just a little information video. I don't know if everybody knows this who has a fireplace. This is my my third fireplace, and this is the first time I ever knew that there was a trap in the fireplace for you to remove the ash. Now, in the bottom of my fireplace there is a door where I can pour the ash into it so I don't have to carry it out through the house. So when I have a fire, I pour the ash into that trap, and then after a while I come out and I remove it. So it's on the back side of my fireplace. So I have this little vent here. This is a place for bugs, basically. So a little vent there, and then I have this down here. And you know, it's old, but if you open it, you can see on the inside there's ash, and it comes down from my fireplace. What I do is I remove it. Now, I have a dog, so I use my scooper, because it just happens to be a great width, and then you can just remove the ash out of there. And when you remove it out of here, you can put it into a bag or into a box like what I have here. That was all inside of my trap here, so you can see that. So just remove it all, put it in a box, and I've heard that you can take this ash and mix it with dirt, and when it gets wet it turns into a kind of like a little bit of a concrete. So if you have an area that you're going to put it, make sure that you mix it with some dirt, and you know, probably add it to, you know, vegetables and stuff, because it probably has a lot of nutrients in here. You know, it probably has a lot of, you know, mineral deposits and stuff, carbon for sure. So a garden, I don't have a garden, but I think it would be good in the garden. So anyways, I just wanted to give you guys that little bit of information. If you have a fireplace that burns wood, check and see if you have a trap in the back outside. And if it's new to you, hopefully it isn't jam-packed full of ash. Alright, that's it. Just a quick little bit of information for you. And winter's coming, so you might want to look into that. Alright, that. There we go. Let's close it up, and it's ready for the winter. Alright. Have a great day, and thanks for stopping by.